What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another Prospector Panda YouTube video. And today we're going to be talking about how to make crazy money online with Udimi. All right, so let's get into it. So if you guys are new here to this channel, click the subscribe button below and join us on our journey. And if you get any value out of this video, make sure to hit that like button below, as that does help out the YouTube algorithm and it helps us reach more people just like you. Alright, so let's get into it. So what we're talking about today is how to make money online with Udimi. Now, Udimi is a solo ads marketplace, meaning that solo ads are something you can pay for and they will send out an email for you. So essentially what that is just like how you buy a Facebook ad, you put a Facebook ad out there and you're optimizing for clicks. A solo ad is you pay someone an amount per click and they'll send it out through the email list and you only pay per click. And so essentially what that is it's the equivalent of advertising your affiliate program but through someone else's email list that they've already spent the time building it up, and you don't have to. You just get to market on their email list per click. And so today we're going to be talking about Udimi. And so this is what the dashboard is that looks like when you sign in to Udimi. So you want to sign up, enter your email, enter your password, and then you'll get sent directly to this dashboard. You can see I've ordered several campaigns, but what you're going to want to click on is going and finding sellers. Now, I do have a link in the description, and if you are interested in Udimi, feel free to check that out. You'll get $5 off your first order. So here's are the sellers. So the sellers, this is where you're going to be checking out the people that you want to buy your clicks from, right? So you can see this is the price per click in the upper right corner. What's nice about Udimi is you can run Facebook ads and you can run Google ads, but you're going to pay per impression. You're not going to pay per click necessarily. You can on Facebook pay per click, but even on the pay-per-click on Facebook, you're going to be getting probably close to $1 pay-per-click, whereas on Udimi, your prices are going to be primarily lower. And so if we check out some of these people, some of the things I look for is I want to see someone that has high amounts of ratings. And so you can see that this is the rating scale they use. They either have a thumbs up or thumbs down. Right, so on each order that they get, the people that buy their solo ads can either give them a thumbs up, like this email list was good, I got sales, or thumbs down, like hey, I didn't get any sales, don't use this person. So that's one of the things I want to see. Is I want to see this number primarily bigger than this number, meaning a lot of people are happy with this seller compared to people not being happy. And so this number right here is a very important number as well. This is probably the most important aspect that I look at. This is the percent of people that reported that they got sales for using this person. And so you can see that 52% of people are saying, hey, I use this email list and I got sales. So I would definitely, check this person out. So if we just dive deep, we'll go a little bit deeper into what is exactly. And so what's nice is you can select the amount of visitors that you want from this person. Some people have a cap up until a couple hundred. A lot of people don't have a cap, and you can go all the way up to 1,000. But here's where it's getting interesting. So there's a base filter applied, and you can select only mobile, which will obviously, if you add any of these options, you're going to be paying more per click. So you can see he starts out at 49 cents a click. But if you click the only mobile, it looks like it's going to be adding, for this guy, actually nothing. But if you click top tier, if you only want to market to top tier countries, such as the US, the UK, these are more people that are more likely to buy, it's going to be 2 cents per visitor. So you can see once we do that, it's going to go up to 51 cents per click. And so if we want to buy 1,000 visitors, we're going to be at $513. And so what's interesting is they also offer this Prime filter that if you select the Prime filter, that's kind of Udemy's like, hey, we're going to double check and make sure, these are high quality people. It says right there, there's going to be a expected quality increase. So they're only going to be marketing to the quality people in the list. And obviously you can get more and more targeted the more you click of these, but your price is going to go up. You can see we're already up to 543 versus if you just want to buy the base, you're at basically just under 500. So it's about an extra $50 if you want to select all these options. And so you can see here's the email that I ran several campaigns for, and I had a couple call to actions. In the emails, you want to make it very specific for what you want your customer to do, what you want the email viewer to do, right? Right here, you want it, this line, right? The first line in email is going to show up as a preview, but this is what is going to be the subject, right, that they're going to see. And so I started off, hey, here's the preview, right? Get your free access to GrooveSell, and some quick bullet points for them to understand if this is something they want. Here's a button to go click and watch a video for them to check out about it. Then I go into details, talk about, hey, it's not just for a year, it's forever. And like I said, grab your free account. So a couple clear call to actions at the end. Like I said, you want to make it very specific for what you want these viewers to do. And so what's cool is that, like I said, you only pay per click, and you can scale this. So if you just want to, hey, I just want to try this out, 100 visitors, I'm not going to even apply any filters, you can get away with this guy just for $52. So there's a lot of things that you can do in Udemy. You can see what's about the seller, but what's really good is you can see where their email lists are targeted, right? So you can see Glenn's email list is 95% primarily in the United States, 3% in Canada, 1% in United Kingdom, and 1% in Australia, where he gets his clicks from, right, in his email list. And so you can see there's a couple video ratings. Some people have some video testimonials that they want to show, and then these are the most recent ratings or reviews of this email list. You can see this is the section where they say, hey, I got sales. We scroll down, this person didn't get any sales, but they got leads. So they're happy, but they didn't get sales. And there will be some people that they're not happy and they didn't get sales, or like we saw there, they're happy but didn't get sales. So now, in terms of getting sales percentage, I wouldn't go anything under 30%. The reason I say that is these people have spent the money before you, and there's enough sellers on Udemy where you don't have to go below 30%. This is primarily what sellers try to keep high, and they want to make sure they keep their list fresh, and so that people aren't always using the same affiliate program, and people take action on emails that you buy out. So they always want to send in new people into their email list, so you're getting new people, not just old people. So you could buy several times from the first person, and they would get a high percent in the got sales. And so on the filter up here, what I like to do is I like to select this as at least 30%. I don't want to look, like I said, there's enough to go around. I don't want to look at anything that's less than 30%. I would go as even 40%. But if you have a higher budget for Udemy, you might want to, and you're really looking to, take over Udemy, then you can go 30%. But honestly, I would just stick at 40%, nothing below 40%. We can see that usually by having a higher sales percent, the one thing that's that goes along with that is these people are going to be charging higher per click, because they've built up this reputation of having a great email list that converts, and so they're going to be a little bit higher compared to some of the numbers that we saw before. You can see some of these numbers go up to almost $1, right, per click, which in that case, personally, I would just run Facebook ads over spending almost $1 in Udemy, but that's kind of what we're looking for. And so just a quick recap. We can go through and we can select visitors, right? We can select the amount of visitors we want. You want to make sure that you have a clear call to action in your email that you're paying for, and make sure that your subject is eye-grabbing. Make sure your subject isn't something that people have seen before. And make sure that when you look for sellers, make sure you look for someone who has at least 30% of people reporting that they're sales. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, you can apply this to any affiliate program. You can use any affiliate link that you guys come across. Write a quick email and have a quick call to action and send people to. It's a really great way to capture some of these guys' email lists and use it to your own advantage. And like I said, link in the description for your $5 off your first order. And if you guys are new to Prospect or Panda, click the subscribe button below and join us on our journey as we spread the message about affiliate marketing and how amazing it is. And if you got any value out of this video, click the like button, as that does help out the YouTube algorithm and definitely helps us reach more people just like you. All right, see you guys soon.